In today's video, I'm going to teach you 4 ways to delete a blank page in Google Docs. If you've ever finished a document and noticed an extra empty page hanging at the end or stuck in the middle, don't worry. Blank pages usually come from stray line breaks, extra spacing, or a hidden page or section break. I'll walk you through 4 reliable ways to remove them so your document looks clean and professional. First, try the simplest fix. Click at the very top of the blank page right at the start of that page and press Backspace on Windows or Delete on Mac. Keep pressing until the page disappears and your content snaps back to the previous page. If your cursor won't move onto the previous page, make sure you are truly at the very first position on the blank page. Using the arrow keys can help you land exactly where you need to be. If that doesn't do it, try highlighting the empty space and deleting it. Click near the top of the blank page. Drag all the way down to the bottom of that page so the entire area is selected. And then press Backspace or Delete. If dragging is tricky, you can hold Shift and use the arrow keys to expand your selection. Be careful not to highlight content on the page before it unless you intend to remove it. Sometimes a blank page appears because of excessive paragraph spacing at the end of your document. This can push the last paragraph onto a new page, even if here is no real content there. To fix it, go to Format. Then Line and Paragraph Spacing and choose Custom Spacing. In the After field, set the value to 0 and apply it. If the spacing issue affects a specific paragraph or section, select that text before changing the setting. Once after spacing is zeroed out, the extra page should collapse. Finally, hidden breaks can create stubborn blank pages. Turn on the visual guides by going to View and selecting Show Non-Printing Characters. You'll see markers for paragraph returns and dotted lines labeled Page Break or Section Break. Place your cursor just before the break and press Delete to remove it. If the break sits at the start of the next page, you can also position the cursor just after it and press Backspace. When you are done, you can return to View to hide non-printing characters again. With these 4 methods, you can quickly remove unwanted blank pages and keep your document tidy. Thanks for watching.